friends, welcome back to Sleeza. If you are new to the channel, welcome. I hope you will stick around and subscribe. Today I've got another super simple glam DIY for us. We're going to be making 3 mirrored wall art decor pieces. And so what you're going to need, some of this rhinestone and pearl bulk embellishment packet from Totally Dazzled. You'll also need some of this Bling Wrap from Totally Dazzled. Totally Dazzled is an online retailer of event decor, wedding decor, and so much more. I will have Totally Dazzled's information along with my custom affiliate links in the description box below for you guys to check them out. Now from Efavormart, you will need some of this floral diamond wrap. And Efavormart is an online retailer of event decor, event lighting, event supplies, and so much more. I will have Efavormart's information along with my custom affiliate links in the description box below for you guys to check them out as well. You know, from Dollar Tree, you're going to need like 3 picture frames or framed mirrors or poster frames, because you're going to need these little tabs on the back, so, or something to hang your mirrors from the wall on the wall with. So you can either use something from Dollar Tree like these little tabs that are on the back of poster framed posters or picture frames, or you could use some command hooks or something like that. But anyway, you'll need something like that from Dollar Tree. You're also going to need 3 of these square mirrors from Dollar Tree. And I have got some foam board. This is some scrap foam board that comes in a large sheet from Dollar Tree as well. So I'll be using this scrap first, but if you need to purchase a new board, then you can find them at the Dollar Tree. Now I'm going to be using hot glue on my project, but if you like to make any components permanent, please use something like an E6000 on epoxy bond, and that will help to make it permanent. These are the items that we'll need in order to complete these beautiful projects. If I decide to use any additional items, I will also list those in the description box below. So let's get started. Okay, you guys, didn't this glam mirrored wall decor turn out absolutely beautifully? This was so easy to make, and you can make any number of these and they would be perfect for an entryway, a bedroom, a hallway. Let's go ahead and get started decorating with them. Well, there you have it, you guys. Another beautiful and super simple glam DIY. I hope you all will give this easy DIY a try. If you like these kinds of glam DIYs and glam videos, please be sure to share my videos with your friends. And if you are new to the channel, please subscribe and hit the notifications bell so that you don't miss any of the future uploads. Thank you all very much, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.